A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Officers Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRAB subject. Today is 27th of November. Only 2 days are left in which you can just grab this opportunity because 80% sale is just going on in today and tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow is the last day. So if you want to purchase any course of JAB and CAB and any product, so you can easily use the code Y391 and just grab this opportunity, that is 80% discount. Okay, so this is the last 2 days. Now in today's session, that is first of all this new batch, that is totally of English medium batch, it is going to be start from 22nd of November 2021. Okay, and I will teach you LRAB subject. The timing will be 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Okay, so within 1 month we will definitely finish the courses. We will do the sample questions also of each act, and I will also give you the trick how to learn these sections. What are the important cases related to the particular act? So to grab these things, you have to come and to purchase this course. Okay, now we were doing targeted 1000 questions and today is the 4th class. Now what to do? What are the questions which we are going to solve today's class? Now the first one is the district forum shall consist of president, eminent person, lady social worker and all of these. Tell me. The district forum shall consist. District forum simply means that questions come from the Consumer Protection Act. Okay, so it consists president, eminent person, that is expert, any social worker and all of these. For this, the exact answer is all of these. All of these will be consist the district forum. Okay. Now, next one. Who would be the president of district forum? Okay, same question. But now, what will be the eligibility or qualification of your president of the district forum? This is important. Tell me. District judge, district magistrate, additional commissioner or eminent social worker. If you don't know these types of questions, just try to learn that questions. Try to learn that question. District forum. So by seeing these questions, we can easily say that the Consumer Protection Act is very important. Okay, their amendment means 2019 Consumer Protection Act, that is important. So these types of questions you have to learn. Who would be the president of the district forum? The exact answer will be the district judge is the exact answer. Okay, and always I will always present in the chat session of whatever questions, whatever answers you are giving. So be present, and as a Nikita Singh, I will give you reply, and I'm just seeing that who are the students who are just giving me the answer. Okay, if you give me the answer, that will definitely benefit to you. Okay, because these questions are only for you people. Now, next one. What are the special features of the Consumer Protection Act from the consumer point of view? Okay, I think all questions are from Consumer Protection Act, right? So, what are the special features? The A option is, it is a simple process of complaint redressal. B, it is inexpensive redressal of complaint. C, it is the speedy redressal of consumer grievances, or all of the above. Third one. What will be the exact answer of this question? If you are not able to do these questions at 9 p.m., so just try to solve all the questions any time which is just fit for you. Okay. So what are the special features of the Consumer Protection Act in this point of view? It is a simple process, yeah, it is a simple process to file any case. It is inexpensive, yes, but obvious as comparison to the court. This is a very inexpensive way to just take justice, and speedy, yes, all of the above. So I think all of the above is the right answer. Okay. Now, next. RBI is under obligation to undertake the banking business. Banking business is also the topic of your class for the central government under the provision of which section? So this section, these section you have to learn. This is the important part of your RBI Act. Question number 4. What will be the exact answer of question number 4? Section 22, 21, 20. No need to give me just a guess answer. Okay. If you know that question, you can easily tell me the exact answer. Because in your legal part, you only have to focus on the the act, the object of the act, important sections and their important contents. That's it. So for the fourth one, the exact answer will be section 20 of the RBI Act. And now for this question, what you can do, that just write down the one word of section 22, write down the one word of section 21, section 20, that's it. So in this question, you can easily see that you have to know the definition of banking business, this one, this question, this. So 4 contents already made in this question. Now, whether breach of RBI directive is punishable offence to what extent? Okay, first of all, RBI, that is the father of your all bank. Okay, so whatever direction they give to the bank, and if any bank not follow, so that is punishable or not? A, yes, fine up to 5 lakh rupees, and for continuation of an offence for per day fine up to rupees 10,000. Okay. Yes, by cancellation of license of the company. No, these are the administrative directions, and no, the act has not provided for any punishment in specific. So for fifth one, what will be the exact answer? So for the fifth one, the exact answer is this one. Yes, fine up to 5 lakh rupees, and if they continue this offence, then fine up to 10,000 rupees per day. Okay, so you have to remember this direction. Now sixth one. So before solving this sixth question, I just want to highlight that what are the courses which is available and in which you can just grab the 80% discount. This is the other site. Okay, this is the main other site, but you have to focus on the banking and insurance, and in banking and insurance you have to click on JAB. Okay, now see where the JAB is written. Yeah, this is JAB, and this 80% discount is available on the JAB and CAB both course. Suppose you have to learn the JAB one. Now see, this is all about the live classes which is going on. You can easily see what are the live classes, because all students are different. Someone take more time to grab the questions, someone take very less time, someone are very intelligent, someone that is for the non-commerce background, these concepts are very new. So these are the online live classes in which you can easily purchase according to your comfort. Okay, this is JAB Mahapack. 6-month validity. It means whatever course that will come within the 6 months, you can easily purchase. This is JAB and CAB. So in your mindset, because in my class generally what students say that ma'am, in the 2020 I have to crack the JAB and CAB also. For those students, this course will be really benefit for them, because the course price is written 45,449, but this is not the actual price. There is a 80% discount if you will purchase this pack. 80% discount by using the code Y391. Okay, now see, this is bilingual classes which is going on. JAB, this one, targeted batch, target course will be there. Case study, this is the power pack of all the classes. This is the individual classes. If you are just thinking that LRB is very new subject, you can only purchase this course also. Whatever amount that is written here, that is not the actual. 80% discount is going on. Simply what you have to do, suppose if you want to purchase this course LRB, view offer is there. Click on view offer, write your mail ID in this form and write the coupon code. Write down Y391. If you click on apply, then 80% discount will be available to you. Okay, so this is all about your purchase of course. Okay, now we will do the questions. So any securitization company may tell me A option is act as an agent for any bank or financial institution for the purpose of recovering their dues from the borrower. B, act as a manager of the secured asset. C, act as a receiver if appointed by any court or tribunal. And D, any or all of the above. Fifth one, securitization company. This, I think, questions come from in your SARFAESI Act. This question belongs to SARFAESI Act. So for fifth one, A will be the, for sixth one, D will be the exact answer. Okay, D is the exact answer. Got it? Now, limitation period for filing of the review application against the award given by the banking ombudsman. So banking ombudsman is the important content. So how many days are available to review the application? What are the limitation period for review the application? 30 days, 45 days, 60 days or 90 days? So for the seventh one, just learn this question. 45 days is the exact answer. Okay, just learn this question. Banking ombudsman, as you all know that ombudsman simply means that is the complaint, investigate the complaint, that is ombudsman. And banking ombudsman, listen the complaint of the banking services which is provided to the customer. Okay, this is the work of your banking ombudsman. Now, Eighth question. DRT Act is applicable only if the death recoverable is above rupees what? 10 lakh only principal amount, 10 lakh only interest, 10 lakh principal plus interest, या any of the above. What will be the exact answer of this one? Eighth. These are the legal facts that you have to know. Legal facts. If you know, when any new song came, you always just remember or just listen the song. So in that way you can easily grab or you can easily remember the song. Same thing apply to the study also. If you revise your all questions on the daily basis, if you revise the important contents that you have written in each question, then definitely in January, when you revise your whole question, it will give you 100% confidence above. So for the eighth one, D is the exact answer. Okay. Now, which of the following High Court? This is very important. This is very important questions. Which of the following High Court rejected implementation of DRT Act in its states in 1995? Delhi High Court, Allahabad High Court, Japan High Court and Mumbai High Court. Tell me the exact answer. Tell me the exact answer of this one. Ninth. On the daily basis, we are doing the 10 to 15 questions, which is very, very important. Just always make a one-liner of each topic. So for this one, exact answer is Delhi High Court. Note down this question. Delhi High Court is the exact answer. Now, 10th, the presiding officer of your DRT is appointed by? The presiding officer of DRT is appointed by? For 10th question, what will be the exact answer? 10th one. Presiding officer of DRT appointed by? Central government is the exact answer of this one. Okay. So we have done with this 10th question. Okay. On the daily basis, we will do this. And your new batch, English medium batch, is going to be start from 29 of November 2021. That is coming Monday. So today is Saturday, Sunday and upcoming Monday. And for LRAB subject, the timing will be 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Okay. And if you want to purchase this course, I will just tell you what are the ways in which you can just purchase it. And this is 80% discount is going on, only 2 days are left, so please grab this opportunity. This is all about, this is ADA site, all courses, click on JAB. Okay, this is English medium batch. In English medium batch, if I talk about the study plan of your LRAB subject, then you can easily see 29 November, the study plan. In the first class, introduction of LRAB subject, general principle of contract, special principle of contract part 1, part 2, the Partnership Act and the Sales of Good Act. You can easily just remember these act, which is important. Company Act Part 1, Part 2, FEMA and Money Laundering Act, TP, RTI and IT Act. These acts, your LRAB subject is divided into 4 modules. So this is the crux of your 4 module. Consumer Protection Act and SARFAESI Act and Tax Law, Banking Ombudsman and BBE Act, DRT Law of Limitation Lok Adalat, Banking Regulation Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Negotiable Instrument Act Part 2, different types of borrower, types of credit facility and letter of credit, law relating to bill finance, various type of securities, and the last class is law relating to security and the mode of charges, Part 1 and Part 2. So this is all about your LRAB study plan, and this is a study plan of PPB and AFB. Okay, you can easily see that in this course there is a 61 plus ebook of PPB, AFB and LRAB, 30 topic wise question of AFB and 60 plus topic wise test series of PPB and LRAB. Okay, so this is all about your this thing. Okay, and use the code Y391 to purchase this code. And if you have any doubt regarding this course, regarding anything, you can just easily ask in a comment box. You can also see this is the video course. Video course is also just launching, and see, this is the compact form of video course of all subject, AFB, PPB. Of LRAB. Okay, these are the video course which is available here. This is all about your test series, ebooks. If you purchase anything, use the code Y391 and grab the 80% discount. Grab this opportunity.